Tamara from SparkleBunnyCottontails.com, and today I'm going to be showing you my vinegar and water mix to clean Ellie's cage. And if you don't know who Ellie is, it's my rabbit. But I don't just use vinegar and water. I also use doTERRA oils. And if you want to become a customer or a distributor, you can go to my website that is called mydoterra.com/Tamara's oils. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is some vinegar, some water, and a spray bottle. The only reason this is sort of filled right now already is because I just tested some out. And if you want, you can just use the doTERRA oils with this, but I'm gonna get started. So inside the doTERRA box, there is 2 oils, the
Serenity,
and the lavender. And then there is this small green box, and inside are all these little oils. It comes with 10 oils in this small box. But before we add any oils, we need to mix the vinegar and water. So I am going to unscrew this. There we go. Yeah, I need to move that. Alright, so I'm going to take the vinegar and can I just pull this off to make it easy? Okay, so I'll just set it right there. I'm going to dump the vinegar.
so about half a cup of vinegar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's probably good.
Okay. And now I'm going to add my water.
So basically about 2 parts vinegar, or 2 parts water to 1 part vinegar. So about 1 cup water to half a cup of vinegar. You can keep going.
Is that about a cup?
You can fill it to the top, it's fine.
I'm going to add a tiny bit more vinegar just to help clean it. Actually, never mind. I'm just going to finish with the water. I'm going to pull that back a little bit.
Okay.
That's filled. So just so this doesn't spill, I'm going to stick that to the side and put the lid back on the vinegar. And now I'm just going to take the spray bottle top and mix that a little bit first. And then I'm going to take this, the doTERRA Family Essentials Kit, and open it up. And there are, like I said earlier in the video, 10 oils. So there's lavender, lemon, breathe, peppermint, deep blue, melaleuca, frankincense, oregano, digest zen, and on guard. So I'm going to use lemon. 4 to 5 drops of the oil. So here's the container. The drops are pretty big, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I accidentally got a 6 strip in there. So now I'm going to just stick this back in there. There. Take the lid, stir it up a little bit. And twist the lid on and make sure that's on tight and shake it up. And now you're just ready to spray this in your rabbit's cage. And just let it sit in the cage for like 5 to 20 minutes, wherever it is. And just after, just wipe it.